Here's I'll show you how to fade in and fade out audio in Premiere Pro. Go to Effects section and search here Gain, and here you'll find this constant gain. Just add this effect at the start of your audio clip just like this, and zoom in your timeline. Now if I play my timeline, as you can see, the fade in effect added. And if you want to increase the fade in effect, you can just hover over on the gain, and here you can just increase the fade in effect duration just like this. And to add a fade out effect, go to your audio clip last part and add the same effect, constant gain, at the end of your audio section. And if you want, you can increase it, and let's play. And as you can see, I successfully added fade in and fade out effect to my audio.